Now let's start our next command, that is layers. The shortcut key for layers is LA. Enter. Once you enter into the layer, you will see this dialog box. Let us create some layers. Okay. See, we have different options here: freeze, lock, plot, okay, color. We have line type, we have line weight, we have transparency, we have new VP freeze, we have description. I will explain each and every point here, so don't worry. Let us create some layers. Why do we create layers? We create layers so that we can draw objects with different line weight, different line type, different color, okay, with different transparency. You can see these 4 buttons. See, the first one is new layer. Go to new layer. Once you click on new layer, you will see that one layer has been created here. Let me name it as continue red. Now, continue red means I will be choosing continuous line of red color. Okay, these options I will explain, don't worry. Directly come here, color, go to red. Okay, you can see that color code of red is 10. Even if you directly type here 10, red color will be selected. Press OK. See, red color is selected. Line type, obviously it must be solid line, continuous line. Okay. Line weight, I will choose line weight as 0.3 mm. Okay. Transparency, let us set it as 0 transparency only. Okay. That's it. Now create one more layer. New layer. Now continue green. Continue green. Okay. Continue green. Go here. Select green color. Okay. Line type. Continuous. Yes. Line weight 0.3 only. Okay. Yes. Now it is continue green. Means continuous line type of green color. Create one more layer. Continue blue. Okay. Now color. Let us select this blue color. Okay. Let it remain line weight as 0.3 mm, line type continuous. Okay. Now go to new layer again. Continue red, green, blue is done. Pink. Go to color. Pink color. Let us say this is the pink color. Okay. So I have selected 4 continuous line of red, green, blue, pink. Okay. And line weight I have kept as 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. Okay. Now let us create some more layers. Okay. New layer. Now I will select dotted line of red color. Dotted line of red color. Okay. Go to color. Dotted line of red color. So here go to red color. Okay. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now line type, it will be dotted. So go here, go to load, select the dotted line. Yes, this one, dotted line. Okay. Okay. Select this dotted line. Okay. Dotted line will get selected. Keep the thickness as 0. Okay. Sorry. Line weight and transparency, do it 20. because dotted lines I don't want to show that much darker. Now create one more layer. Now this time it will be dash red, dash red. Go to color. Okay, it is red only. Thank you. Then line type, go to line type, then load dash lines. So these are the dash lines. Okay, go to dash line. Okay, okay, line weight, select it as 0.05. Okay, okay, set the transparency as 20 only. Okay, because I want to keep my dash lines little bit transparent so that our continuous line will look darker. Now go to new layer again. Now this time it will be dotted green, dotted green. So select green color. What is the code of green color? It is 90. So you can press 90 here. 90. Okay, see the code of green color is 90. Okay, line type will be dotted. So go to dotted. Okay, is 0, line weight and transparency 20. Okay, now I will create different layers. Okay, so that I can explain something. That's why it will take a little bit time. Then go to green, dash green 90. Go to dash. This is the dash. Okay, line weight, take it as 0.05. Okay, 20 transparency. Now this time center line, center line, go here, center line green, center line green. Now load. Now select the center line color. You can see this is the center line, center. Okay, okay, this is the center. Okay, right. Rest of the things keep it same. Okay, line weight and transparency 20. Now go to here again, center line green, and then center line red. Go here, center line red. So this is the red color. Okay, so that's it. So you can see here I have chosen layer, different layers of different lines of different color. One more layer I will create, center line blue. Center line blue. Okay, go here. Let's me select this color. Okay, center line blue. Okay, yes, center, and let's take it as 0.09 mm. Okay, transparency little bit, this one 10. That's it. So I have created different layers. Now close it. You can activate the layer with the help of this particular option. Suppose I want to activate, suppose I want to draw line with the help of continue blue. So select the continue blue and set current. If you click on it, it will be set current. Or you can set current, you can do the, you can activate any layer by double clicking on it. Double click, it will be activated. If you double click on this layer, that layer will be activated. If I double click onto this layer, that will be activated. Okay, okay. Suppose I want to activate this green one, you can do also like this. Left click onto that, select that layer and left click here. So that layer will get activated. This is as simple as that. Okay, this is the by default layer which will always be present. White in color, continuous line, line weight default, transparency 0 by default. Okay, so as of now I want to draw my drawing with the help of continue blue. So double click onto that. Now cross it, close it. Okay, now let us draw some drawings, beautiful drawings. Okay, a circle has been drawn. See, continue blue color. Now you can see here, we can activate the layer from here as well. Suppose you want to draw with the help of continue green. So select here. Now go to circle again. Now you can see the color of that circle is green in color because you have activated the continue green. Okay, now do array, AR enter, select this object, enter, go to path array, center point of array. Okay, there are 6 entities. Close array. I hope this is very much clear to you. Okay, now go to center line red. Okay, go to center line red. Go to center line red. That means the layer center line red is activated. Okay, which layer is activated now? Center line red. You can go to LA enter and you can see that. See, center line red is activated. Let me draw some center lines. Put the ortho on. So this is the center lines. See, line weight, I can switch it on and switch it off from here. I have already told you these things. Okay, so this is drawn. Now, select the dotted dotted red, okay, dotted red, and draw a rectangle. Not dotted red, dotted green rather. Okay, dotted green, and draw a rectangle. Now, dotted green layer is activated. Okay, yes. So this is clear. Now copy this particular object, enter. This is the base point. Copy here. Suppose I want to do multiple copies. So go to multiple. Put the ortho of. Yes. So this is it. I hope this is clear. Now, why I have done that? Suppose I want to change this particular object. Okay, so draw a rectangle here. Okay, draw a rectangle here. Let me choose center line, not center line. Where is continue green? Continue pink. Continue pink. Now I am drawing a rectangle of continue pink. Okay, now select this array, replace item, replace item. Select the replacement item object. This is the replacement object. Enter. Select the base point. This is the base point. Now you have to select an array. Select this, and select this. Okay. Enter. Suppose only 3 objects I want as rectangle and 3 as circle. Now let us see here. Now again select the array. Now this time I will edit the source. Okay, edit the source. Select array. Now It is asking, now we are entering into the associative array, that is array editing state. We are entering into the array editing state because we are going to edit the array. So suppose if I want to come out of that array editing state, you have to enter array close to exit the array editing state. Okay. Now draw a rectangle. Let us choose a different, or pink is fine. Go to rectangle. Yes, this is done. Now go to array close. Go to array close. One second. Array close. Enter. Yes. So this will be like this. I hope this is clear. Now the fourth one, let it be remain like that. Rather, do scaling of it. Select the object, select the base point. Okay, let it give scale factor as 0.8. It will be a bit smaller. Okay, move it. Select this and move it here. So this is how it will look. Okay, move it to the right a bit. Now, suppose I want to change this boundary color. You can go to properties. Okay, you can select it and you can change the color. Suppose you want in dark blue color. So you can change it. Layer will remain same, but the color will be different. Select this, change the color, select color. Suppose you want this color to be this. Okay. Okay, so like this, you can change the color. So this is how I have used the layer. So I hope you have understood what is the use of these layers. But we have some more options inside the layer. So go to layer command, LA, enter. Okay, now you will see some beautiful things which will happen here. Just look at here carefully. Let me adjust it so that you can see. Now see here, we have different layers. Okay, let me draw a line using this layer, zero layer. A basic line is drawn using that zero layer. Now observe this first option, on off. This is off. See, turn the current layer off because this is the current layer. This is the current layer. Current layer, did you understand? Current layer means this layer is activated and you are turning it off. That's why that warning came. Suppose if I turn it off, center line blue, or rather, if I want to see clearly, you can see continue blue. Continue blue. Turn it off. See, the continue blue will be turned off everywhere. Each and everywhere, the continue blue will be turned off. Means it will not be displaced. I hope you have understood it. On off, on off. We have one more option, freeze. See, from the on off, that layer is getting hidden. Okay, but in the freeze also, that layer is getting hidden. What is the difference between on off and freeze? Actually, that is nothing. Just understand it very carefully. Whenever you will do zoom in and zoom out, okay, whenever you will do zoom in and zoom out, so when the file is very heavy and when you do zoom in and zoom out, that zoom in and zoom out will happen very slowly, because your drawing is very heavy. As of now, my drawing is not that much heavy, but suppose your drawing is very heavy, it will have lots of drawing entities and objects. Suppose it is very heavy, at that time you can hide some of the layers which is not of use at that present for showing to your client or any other person. Okay, so suppose if I am switching it off from freeze, that means it is going from that memory. Okay, means if you do zoom in and zoom out, it will happen smoothly, because that particular layer is hidden, as well as that particular layer is gone from the memory of the AutoCAD. Means while doing zoom in and zoom out, it won't create any problem. Okay, it won't create any problem. It will happen very smoothly. Zoom in and zoom out will happen very smoothly because you have turned off from freeze. If you turn off from on off from this one, then obviously it is only hidden. Okay, that particular layer is only hidden and it has not gone from the memory. I hope this is clear. Yes, on off, now freeze. Okay, so that's the difference. You must remember that whenever you are working on any particular very big drawing. Now we have option called lock. If I have locked any particular layer, then that layer you cannot erase it. See, I have selected this. You cannot do anything. See, you cannot do anything. You cannot change the properties. You cannot change the colors. You cannot change the line type. Means you cannot do anything of that particular layer if you have logged any particular layer. As of now, I have logged the continue blue. If you log the continue green as well, see that particular array, you won't be able to do anything. Yes, you won't be able to change anything because you have logged that particular layer. That's the log command. Now plot. I have explained the plot, right? Suppose if I switch off, okay, if I switch off here, see, can you see inside the plot for the continue green, what I am selecting? This as of now, the plot is activated. Now the plot is deactivated for this particular layer. Means if you take print out of that particular drawing, this particular layer will not be printed. Do you want to see that? See, as of now, for continue green, the plot is deactivated, and continue green layer, this particular array circle, this array circles are drawn with the help of this continue green. Okay, so let us see. As of now, for continue green, the plot is deactivated. Now let us see what happens. Go to plot command, enter, go to plot command, enter. Okay, now go to window, select the window. Okay, DWG to PDF. Okay, center the plot, preview. Let us see the preview. Now you can see the preview. Just a second. Some problem has happened. 1 second. Go to ACAD and then preview. This green layers must not show. Maybe some problem has happened. Just a second, huh? Yes. Line weight is on. Go to layer, enter. Okay. For continue green, this is, oh, this was not deactivated. I'm so sorry. For continue green, deactivate the plot. Deactivate the plot. Okay. Yes. I have deactivated the plot. Now go to plot, enter. Okay. Select here DWG to PDF. Let it remain like that. Go to window, select this. Okay, fit to paper, center the plot, and then preview. Now you can see that continue green, the arrays which I had drawn using continue green layer is not shown because from here, from layer, it is deactivated. Suppose if you deactivate the continue blue as well in the plot, it will show here continue blue means the drawing which have been drawn using continue blue and continue green, it will show here. But if you do plotting, it won't show there. Go to DWG to PDF, window. This is the window. Go to preview. See, everything is hidden. Everything is hidden. Can you see that? That blue color, continue blue and continue green layers drawing, everything is hidden because I have deactivated from there. So this is how you can use it inside the layer, this plot option. Suppose if I again activate that, now if you do plotting, PLOT plot, enter, DWG to PDF, window, select this window, you can do center the plot, preview. Now you can see each and every drawing, okay, which are done with layers. So that's very simple. Now we have some more options. Transparency, I have explained transparency, it will a little bit transparent, okay, yeah. But we have some more options, new VP freeze. This option I will explain when I will explain layouts, okay, layouts I will explain. So as of now I am skipping it. The next chapter, the next topic will be layouts only, okay, which is helpful for plotting. Now here you can write the description. You can write whatever you want. If you want to write something about this particular layer, you can write it in the description. Okay, whatever you want to write, you can write it here. Yes, I hope this is clear. Okay, you can increase the transparency. Okay, suppose for dotted line, where is the dotted? Yeah, dotted green. Suppose for the dotted green, let me increase the transparency value 80. Okay, now you can see the transparency of all the layers increased, and they are like not that much visible with the naked eyes because I have increased the transparency of that particular dotted layer. Okay, that can be seen in the plot as well. Go to plot, okay, select this DWG to PDF, window, that's the window, center the plot, preview. See, can you see that? These are Very transparent. Yes. See, now this time these are more transparent because this time I have activated the plot transparency. If I deactivate it and go to preview, then at least those lines will be shown. Okay, because they are drawn with very light color. They are drawn with very light color. That's why they are looking like transparent. Okay, by default, see, as of now, this color, which is the boundary of this particular drawing, that is very light color. That's why it seems like transparency. Okay, but actually it is not. As of now, for this particular line, the transparency is 100 only. Sorry, 0 only. Transparency is 0 only. Okay, now activate the plot transparency. Now go to preview. You will see that all the boundaries are now more transparent. Means they are having plot transparency as 80. Transparency as 80. How? Because in that particular layers, that is dotted layers, okay, in that layer I have chosen transparency as 80. That's why, see, this happens when you select this plot transparency. Okay, as of now I am keeping it off and see the preview. Now you will see the original color. Okay, cancel it. I hope this is clear. Now go to layers, LA, enter, and change the transparency of this dotted green. See, dotted green. Change it to 20 so that it will be more visible. Exactly. Now let us see some more options inside the layer. Now we have, this is done, this is also done. I will explain new VP freeze in the layouts. Go to here, new property filter. As you go to new property filter, you can see, let me name this filter as on. Okay, now select here. Wait, you will not be able to understand like this. Put some of the layers off and put some of the layers on. Put the center line, all the center line off, and put the continue blue, red, green, pink off, on. Okay, so some of the layers are off, some of the layers are on. Now go here. I will name it as on. Suppose I want to create a set of filters where whose which are on. Okay, so the filter name is on and I am selecting those layers which are on. You can select for some more options here. Lock. Suppose you want on and unlock. See, on and unlock. So only these layers are there which are on and unlock. Okay, so on and unlock. On and unlock. Okay, so these are all used layers. These are on and unlock layers. Means these are the layers which are on and as well as unlock. Okay, now create one more filter. Unlock. Only unlock. So go here and unlock. Okay, press OK. All the unlock layers will be shown. Go to filters. Only on. Only on. So go here, select on. Only the layers which are on, that will be shown. Okay, yes, you can select off and lock. Off and lock. So go here, lock, and this one off. So there is no layer which is off and also lock. That's why nothing is shown here. You can press OK. Off and lock, no layers are there. So like this, you can create some of the filters, okay, which might be useful in some points when there are more number of drawings, more number of heavy files are there, more number of drawings are there, heavy drawing is there. Okay, so that is done and dusted. New property filter. Now we have option new group filter. Okay, you can choose new group filter. You can name it. Suppose let me name it as deep. Okay, right click onto it, select layers. Sorry, go to deep, select layers, add. So add layers of selected filters. Suppose I want to add this layer. See, this layer is locked. That's why it is not getting selected. Even this layer is locked. That's why it is not getting selected. Can I select this layer? See, yes. Then enter. So that layer will come here. Okay. Yes. So this is inside that. So this is how you can create group of layers. Okay, group of layers by selecting. You can add some more layers. Okay, let me select. See, green is selected, blue is selected, pink, and enter. Yeah, actually it is not happening because it is by default taking this particular layer only. Yeah, why? Because in the array I edited this part. That's why it is happening like that. Because if you select, see, right click here and select layer, add. If I try selecting this, okay, by default you can see this green color circle is also getting selected. Why? Because they are a single array. They are single array. That's why. Enter. See, it is already there. This green color layer, that is continue green, already there. Okay, let me explode this. X, enter. You cannot explode because that is locked. So go to layer, enter. Okay, unlock that particular layer. Unlock that particular layer. Continue green is unlocked. You can go and unlock from here as well. All used layers, go to all used layer and come here, continue green and unlock it. Now you can do your operation. Go to explode, enter, select this. Now it is exploded. Yes, it is exploded. Okay, now come to the layer, LA, enter, go to this group layer, right click, select layers, add. Suppose if I select this layer and enter, you can see that layer will get added. Continue pink inside this particular deep. And deep is nothing but a group layer, group filter. You can add one more. Suppose an academy. Okay, an academy. Right click, select layer, add. Suppose this time, let me select this one, this line, enter. So see that zero named layer will get selected inside that unacademy. So this is as simple as that. Now we have layer states manager. This is very, very, very important. This layer state manager will allow us, see, will allow us to save our layer state. Suppose you want to use these layers in some other drawing. You don't want to create this layer again and again because you know the process of creating layers. It takes lots of time. It takes lots of time to create, right? So how to create that? How to do that? Let me explain. Suppose let me start a new drawing. Okay, if I start my layer command, you won't see that particular layers which I had created there. So come to that previous drawing again, go to layer, LA, enter, LA, enter. Now go to this option, layer states manager, and new, set the name as Deep An Academy. Okay, yes, you can name, you can give some description as well. Okay, now export it. Export means you are saving that particular file as a, see, deepunacademy.las. That means layer states. So it's a type of file which will get saved in the desktop. Save it. Okay, yes, and close it. Now go to that particular drawing. You won't see that. So from here, go to layer states manager, import. Okay, now you, in the desktop you won't see that particular file. So files of type, set it as layer state. Now you can see Deep Unacademy is here. .las. Select it, open it. Now see, you will see all the layers which I was using in that particular drawing too. It is also came here in the new drawing. Okay, how I choose new drawing? From this plus, you can start a new drawing as well. So as of now, I have entered into the another new drawing, that is drawing 4. Here you also you can import. Go to layer states manager, import it. Don't forget to set this files of type. Okay, you have to select it as .las. Select this and open it. Okay, restore. I hope this is clear. Yes. So that's all about layer. More of the things, some more options which we will see about layers in the layout, which is our next topic.